In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch templates on Squarespace. Switching up the template on your Squarespace website can give it a fresh new look and feel, which might be exactly what you need to re-engage your audience or better showcase your products or services. Luckily, Squarespace makes this process straightforward, allowing you even to preview how your content will look with a new template before making any final decision. Let's dive in and see how you can accomplish this in just a few steps. First things first, head over to the Squarespace website. This is your starting point for nearly everything related to your website, from editing content to changing its design. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to access your site's backend, where all the magic happens. Click on the login button to proceed. Now, Squarespace offers a couple of ways to log in, but for ease and speed, let's use the Continue with Google option. This is a great shortcut if you've already linked your Google account, saving you the hassle of entering your login details manually. So go ahead and click on Continue with Google. Next, you'll be prompted to choose which Google account you want to use. If you're like many of us, you might have more than one, so make sure to select the account that's connected to your Squarespace site. Once you're successfully logged in, it's time to navigate to your website. You can do this by clicking on the designated link to go directly to your website's dashboard. This area is the control room of your Squarespace site, where you can adjust settings, edit pages, and yes, change your template. In your website's dashboard, look for the design section. This is where Squarespace keeps all the tools you need to customize your site's appearance, from fonts and colors to, you guessed it, templates. Within the design menu, you're looking for a tab or link that says Style. This might seem a bit misleading since what we want to change is the template, but in Squarespace, styles and templates are closely linked, so this is indeed where you need to be. After navigating to the Style section, your next stop is the Themes area. This is where Squarespace displays all the available templates you can use for your site. Think of each theme as a different outfit for your website, each with its own unique style and flair. Take your time to browse through the options. Squarespace offers a range of themes suitable for different types of content and styles of presentation. When you've found a theme that catches your eye, go ahead and select it. This is like trying on an outfit. You're not committing to buying it just yet. Squarespace lets you preview how your existing content will look with the new theme, which is incredibly helpful for making an informed decision. Lastly, if you're happy with how the new template looks with your content, it's time to make it official. Look for the Save button. Clicking this will apply the new template to your site. Congratulations, your Squarespace website has now been successfully updated with a new look. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Remember, changing your template can significantly alter how your site looks and functions, so it's always a good idea to preview before committing. Also, some templates might have specific features or limitations, so consider how these align with your website's needs. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to switching templates on your Squarespace website. I hope this tutorial was helpful and you're now feeling confident about giving your site a fresh new look. Remember, the beauty of Squarespace is in its flexibility and ease of use, so don't be afraid to experiment with different templates until you find the perfect one for your site. Happy designing!